This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork kare kare. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of pork hock, a cup of creamy peanut butter, and a tablespoon of annatto oil for color. Don't forget your fresh vegetables like eggplant, string beans, and bok choy. Having bagoong alamang ready is key for that authentic taste. Now let's get that pork hock perfectly tender. Place it in a large pot, cover with water, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 2 to 3 hours, or until the pork is fork tender. Remember to skim off any foam or impurities that float to the top. Once cooked, remove the pork, let it cool slightly, and then cut it into manageable pieces. With the pork ready, it's time to build that rich kare kare flavor. In a separate pot, sauté minced garlic and sliced onions until fragrant. Add the tender pork pieces and stir-fry for a few minutes. Next, pour in your peanut butter mixture, along with some of the pork broth, and simmer until the sauce thickens beautifully. Finally, add your prepared vegetables and cook until they are just tender crisp. Your delicious pork kare kare is now ready to be served. Ladle generous portions into bowls, ensuring everyone gets plenty of that rich, savory sauce and tender pork. Don't forget to offer bagoong alamang on the side. It truly completes the experience. Serve it hot with freshly steamed white rice for a truly satisfying meal. Also, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.